Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on AI feature in Chrome. This is very easy and takes only a few minutes. First, open the Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now click the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. Then click on Setting from the drop-down menu. On the left side, click on AI Innovations. Inside AI Innovations, you will see a feature called Help Me Write. Just click the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Now open a new tab in Chrome. On the top right, near the Gmail or profile icon, you will see a small labs icon. Click on it. Just click the toggle button to turn them on. Now you have successfully turned on AI features in Chrome. Enjoy the Chrome with AI. Try it out next time you write an email or a message. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.